I'll show you what's in my bag and what's in my car. Home Health PT Edition. After that, you're gonna ride along with me to work as I go around town and visit my patients. I filmed this 3 years ago. It was towards the end of the pandemic. I fast-forwarded it, so my voice is gonna sound a little weird. Enjoy.
Got my keys ready, my bag, lunch, and water. So let me take you to Naples. So I'm here now at my patient's house. She's actually just 5 minutes away from where I live. She had a total knee replacement, and today I'm gonna remove the staples from her incision. So I hope everything's okay, no wound infections and all. And as you guys need. Hey, so I'm at the office today, dropping by to get my COVID test. We're doing it weekly. So got some more supplies and snacks. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my next patient. It's in assisted living facility. So yeah, I also provide PT services there. It's gonna be an evaluation, and it's gonna be in a dementia unit. Patient for today had an aneurysm repair. This is a regular visit, which is something that I rarely have these days, because usually I only do evaluations, reevaluations, and discharges. I usually give the regular visits to my PTAs, but this guy specifically asked me to stay with him throughout the therapy, and I don't mind. He's really nice. Later after him, I'm gonna go to my next patient, which is like 30 minutes away from this location, and I'll probably have to stop at a gas station for water break and lunch. Downtown Naples, I'm going to the east side, which is kind of rural. So my fourth patient just called me saying that he messed up with his schedule and has an appointment around 3, so I have to just go there immediately and take lunch later. So guess what? I can't do the evaluation for this my fourth patient today because he needs to be discharged first from the other therapist, so we avoid the overlap billing for his insurance. It happens, some cancellations or even refusal sometimes. And for home health, you can take your lunch in any way or anytime you can. You can stop at a restaurant if you have time, or a drive-through, or take a sandwich and eat while you drive. But today I'm just stopping for it, and at the same time I'll be sending emails, replying to messages in my iPad, and do some paperwork. So I'm at my last patient's driveway. He had COVID 2 months ago. He is really weak, had residual weakness from all of that. He had it real bad. He was on the ICU and ventilator while he was at the hospital. The PTA has been working with him, and I'm doing a reevaluation visit today. I'm a little bit early, but I don't think he would mind. I've seen him before. He's really nice. So I'm home now. I saw a total of 4 people. I left at 8:30 a.m., came home at 2:15. I'm gonna be doing my paperwork. I've done like almost half of it during the visits, and I have to complete it today. I'll also be calling patients for tomorrow. And for that canceled visit, it happens, but I would still get paid anyway, and the company will also pay for mileage. So in home health, you can stop by a grocery store in the middle of the day and nobody's gonna care. I only go to the office about once or twice a month just to get supplies, attend a meeting. But starting this week, we're gonna have to go there every week to get tested for COVID. So that's my day. Thank you.